How to open HSBC account online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open HSBC account online. So first of all, just open your browser in your PC or on your smartphone. And here on the search bar, just search for hsbc.co.uk and that will redirect you to the official website of the HSBC bank. And after that, in order to open your account, you just have to click on this banking tab, and under the drop down menu in the current account section, you will see these options called Premier account, Advanced account, Bank account. You just have to simply click on Bank account, and after that just scroll down a bit and click on How to apply. And here are few things that you'll need to know before applying to HSBC account. You can read this or either skip this and just simply scroll down, and here you have to select one of these options, whether you want to apply for a solo account or a joint account. So just click on apply for solo account, and after that just read the eligibility and the information and the documents that you will need for the application. Just check all these details, and after that just click on confirm and start. And here on this page you just have to fill this application form. First of all, just fill all your personal details like email address, your name, your gender, your date of birth, your place of birth, and all the information. And once you fill all these informations of yours, just simply click on continue. And after that, on the next page, you just have to verify your identity card, and simply just click a photo of your identity card and upload it here. And once the HSBC account verify your detail, you will be successfully able to open your bank account with HSBC. So yeah, that is how you will be able to open your HSBC account online. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.